Il-Parlament Ewropew se jibgħat lejn pajjiżna missjoni urġenti bl-iskop li tiltaqa' mal-politiċi, il-pulizija, kif ukoll il-familja tal-ġurnalista assassinata Daphne Caruana Galizia fost l-oħrajn. Dan hekk kif il-Parlament qajjem tħassib serju dwar is-sitwazzjoni li jinsab fiha l-Gvern Malti.
And I'm speaking as the chair of the Rule of Law Monitoring Group, which met this morning. We are planning a visit to Malta, but we will make sure that the European Parliament keeps the pressure up so that justice is done and the truth will come to light.
Voti li ttieħed anke l-grupp tas Soċjalisti Ewropej, jiġifieri l-grupp li l-Partit Laburista huwa membru tiegħu appoġġja voti li talab għal dibattitu urġenti dwar is-sitwazzjoni f'Malta fil-Parlament Ewropew. Matul seduta tal-Parlament Ewropew spikka diskors tal-kap tal-Partit Popolari Ewropew fil-Parlament Ewropew Manfred Weber li appella lill-Unjoni Ewropea biex ma tibqax siekta.
The European Union cannot be silent to what is going on in the current days in Malta.
U kundanna lill Prim Ministru Joseph Muscat li baqa' jiddefendi lin-nies ta' madwaru inkluż Keith Kembri, Konrad Mizzi u Chris Cardona.
All these people appeared in the investigations of Daphne Caruana Galizia before she was killed. Nevertheless, Prime Minister Muscat has protected them all this time and defended them again and again while attacking those who wanted to expose them. The situation in Malta has consequences for the entire European project.
Meta appella għal konsegwenzi politiċi ċari, Weber intlaqa minn applaws twil mill-maġġoranza tad-deputati Ewropej.
I have always seen this Parliament raising its voice very high to claim the respect of rule of law and of the freedom of press to several governments in Europe. Today it's time to do the same in the case of Malta. Let's raise our voice together.
Fl-istess seduta spikka wkoll il-messaġġ ta' Sven Giegold li jforma parti mill-Partit tal-Ħodor.
That it is crucial on the situation in Malta that this Parliament sends an urgent mission in order to fact-find what's happening. I thank President Weber for his words.
Thank you.
And it's overdue that the prize in Malta, that the prize which has been decided by the last Parliament is finally installed for the freedom of journalism. And this Parliament has never taken side in politics in Malta, but searched for the truth and justice for Daphne Caruana Galizia.